11:15, but it feels like it's 2 a.m. He woke up crying and his back wet. And it was a whole ordeal. Now we're here. And I'm tired. I need some coffee. But he's thoroughly enjoying that bottle right there. Okay, so I was gonna start the birth story time, but he threw up, and while I was waiting for Jeff to finish eating back there, he is pooping like crazy right now. I could feel it because my hand's under his butt. He's pooed, sharded like 5 times in the last 5 minutes. He's still going.
He's done it like 3 or 4 times.
He's still going. This would have been a blowout for sure. I smell it.
Well, we're gonna have to change it, probably.
I freaking smell it, bro. What the heck? And you're so content. Oh my gosh, gross. Jeff just cleaned or changed his diaper because the same thing happened to him like 5 minutes ago. He's still going. He's literally, I'm afraid to open this diaper.
That's how I felt.
Come on, boy. Are you done? He has his hand, I don't know if you guys can see.
Mine wasn't as bad as I thought.
His finger is on his chin like this. You're disgusting, dude. But I love you.
He's latching. He isn't really latched onto this booby very much.
Started yesterday?
Yeah, I think it was yesterday, last night, but really only to the right side. So
Falling asleep right now.
that's good for us. It means he's getting maybe enough.
Hello.
Alright, bye-bye.
Happy Saturday. This guy is hungry.
He's really pulling my hand. How about you hold the ball yourself then, bro?
So he didn't take the boob this time. Last time he did. So maybe next time. Look at his hands are in a fist. He's ready to fight you.
I guess I'm not giving him the right pace.
It's like, hurry up, Dad.
Okay. David, come say hi to Mom. Dummies.
One guy's lost. Give another guy's game.
They haven't been over here.
First time.
But one thing that never changes.
And Davis is a little bit excited. Marley is a little bit more like.
It's like smelling everything. I hope my hoo-ha's not showing.
No.
Okay.
No, leave that stuff alone.
Ow! My arm. Gentle. Are you kidding me? Hi. Hello. So, we're gonna try to do this. Hopefully we can get a good impression of his foot. I don't know what I'm doing though. So wet foot, and press into material and then remove. Is that good enough? I don't see any toes. Okay. There we go. It says if you made a mistake, go back to step 2.
Need it?
Yeah. Trying for the second time. Here. It looks okay, I think. Dang.
It's light, but I mean, it works. Unless you have to press really hard.
I know, and I don't want to like do that to
I know,
his
you
foot.
don't want to hurt his foot. Exactly.